Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how, even for beginners, you can grab 12 different products for $12.40 plus taxes. That is your cash cost. So if you want to save money at CVS, definitely stay tuned. So welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. We are going to show you some amazing deals at CVS next week. Going from hair care deals, we have some baby deals for some diapers next week, bottled water, you name it. And at the end, I'm going to show you how you can put together some beginner-friendly transactions using the Flues app to pay for the gift cards to cover the final cost, and you'll wind up getting 12 products for $12.40 plus taxes, which is incredible. So anyone can do most of these deals. And for CVS, of course, the more you shop there, the more you coupon there, the more CRTs you will get. So if you just joined CVS and you just opened an extra care account, stay patient and just keep going, because you will start getting some amazing extra coupons. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd love to have you as part of it. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I do post new deals and videos, you'll be notified and you won't miss out on different ways that you can save each week. So as always, I want to pop into 3 quick updates, and then we are going to go into what coupons we're getting on Sunday and if it's worth it to buy inserts. First update, my new couponing class is going to be next Monday, the 26th, at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to join that couponing class, 20 slots available. That way everyone has a chance to ask questions at the end. So it's really hands-on and really kind of one-on-one feeling. So we are going to go over how to coupon, where to get coupons, put together some deals, some transactions, go over rebate apps, the whole 9 yards to get you started. So there is a link in the description box if you want to reserve your seat. It's $10 a person. Once you pay for it, then I will email you the Zoom link, and that way you can join us. Or join me. I keep saying us. It's just me. My dog may pop in here and there, but you can join me. It'll be Monday at 5:30. There's also a giveaway going on right now. Walgreens haul video that I posted on Monday is where you enter the giveaway. Both winners are going to be announced on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So if you haven't entered yet, there's definitely still some time. I'll link that video below and at the end of this video. All right, coupon inserts. I highly recommend purchasing inserts this weekend. So we're getting 2, a Smart Source and a Save. But we're getting amazing coupons. We're getting Shit coupons, Skintimate coupons, Lysol coupons, Irish Spring, and Softsoap. And in the Save, we're getting Dove coupons, a body wash BOGO coupon. We're getting coupons for Snuggle and All, which is incredible because at Walmart, we have rebates. So you can stock up on laundry extremely cheap next week. So I highly recommend buying some inserts. I always order mine from BQ, like you guys know if you've been a part of my channel. So for her website, the smallest pack is 4. You would get 4 of each. We're getting 2 different inserts, so you would get 8 in total. Or you can order individual coupons from thecouponmarketplace.com. I do have discount codes for both of them. Those are all linked below for you in the description box as well, so you can save 10% on your orders. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I have 2 different scenarios for the Spend 30 deal, one including diapers and one without. So if you don't need to stock up on diapers, I still have a great scenario for you. So for the first one, what you're going to do is grab 3 of the large Pantene. They're 3 for $15. Then you're going to grab 2 of the Pampers diapers. They're $9.99 each. That'll bring your total to $34.98. So we're past that $30 mark. We're good to go. We'll get that $10 extra buck. Now we can use coupons, whether they're digital or paper, and we can use CRTs to lower our final cost. If you have you're going to use the 5 off of 3 Pantene digital if you haven't used it already. If you have, I believe the 5 off of 3 from the July insert is still available, the PG insert. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 2 Pampers digital coupon. It shows right in the ad that we're going to have that available. And you're going to use a 4 off of 20 diaper CRT if you have it. You're also going to use a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT if you have it. You'll pay just $19.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $9.98 for 4 or $1.99 each. And the $15 for the Pantene is going to track towards CVS Beauty, which is awesome. And here is the second option that you can do. I switched it up real quick. That way, in case your CVS doesn't accept expired coupons, you can do it this way. So grab 3 of those large Pantene. They are $15. Then you're going to grab 2 Herbal Essences for $12 and a Tide Pods. Again, use that Pantene digital coupon, the Herbal Essences digital if you haven't already used these, a 5 off of 25 hair care CRT, and a Tide Pod digital coupon. You'll pay $15.94 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $5.94 for 7 products or 84 cents each, which is an amazing deal. And for this one, $27 of the Pantene and the Herbal Essences will track towards CVS Beauty. Here's a great deal on water. A lot of you ask for different deals on bottled waters and essentials. So here's a great deal you can do. Not every deal at CVS involves extra bucks and things like that. Sometimes you kind of got to be a little creative based on whatever CRTs you get. So like I said, if you don't have great CRTs off the bat, just be patient and give it time. You'll get more and more as you keep shopping there. So this deal is available the current week as well. Or next week, they're all going to be $2.99 for the 24 pack. Check and see if you have a $1 off of 4 gold emblem CRT. In the past, I've gotten $1.50 off 1 gold emblem CRTs, so you would even be able to stack those if you had them both. But with this deal, you'll pay $4.98 for 2 or $2.49 per pack of water. I live in Florida and we are in the middle of hurricane season, so it's always good to stock up now and be prepared before things like that come to happen and then the stores get wiped out and you're kind of in a panic. And when you have to stock up that way, you pay full price. So always good to have some water bottles and everything laying around the house, and this is a good way that you can do it for cheaper. Okay. BioTrue. I want to try to add some different deals in each week that aren't the same typical hair care deals, razor deals, things like that. So if you enjoy different kinds of deals and you're loving couponing at CVS, definitely smash that like button for me and drop a comment. Let me know what types of deals you're looking for. If you're looking for baby deals or lotion deals or whatever the case may be, just drop a comment below. Let me know so I have an idea of what to look out for and what to add in these videos for you guys. So the BioTrue is $14.99 for the one that's included, and buy one, get a $3 extra buck. You're going to use a $2 coupon we have coming in our 7/18 inserts, and we're getting a $3 instant coupon. It shows you right in the CVS ad. You can either print that at the red box inside CVS, or you can send that to your card on the CVS app. Go to Deals and Rewards. Then check if you have a 3 off of 10 eye care CRT. You'll pay $6.99, get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost $3.99, which is almost 75% off. So that is definitely a great deal if you need some BioTrue. All right, now we're back to getting some Schick deals and some Skintimate razor deals. We are getting great coupons in our Sunday insert. I'm so excited for these coupons. Sometimes we'll even get Ibotta rebates that we can do at Walmart, you name it. These are just great coupons to get. So it's going to be on a deal for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. So you're going to grab a non-disposable and a disposable. That'll bring you to $14.98. You're going to use a $4 Schick razor coupon and a $3 Skintimate razor coupon from the 7/18 Smart Source. Each of those coupons are a limit of 2. Sometimes we'll get a digital when we get the Skintimate coupons, and sometimes we'll get a printable. So stay tuned on Sunday. I will definitely let you know and update the deal in my haul. So this one I love because there's no CRTs needed. This is a super beginner-friendly deal. You'll pay $7.98 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, my math is incorrect at the bottom, your final cost is $2.98 for 2 or $1.49 each. So that is an incredible deal. Anyone can do this deal, which is great. All you need to do is get some inserts on Sunday, or you can order them now on BQ so that way you'll have them for next week. Okay, Kotex is going to be 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So you're going to grab 4 of them. I haven't checked the coupon limit on the printables, so I'm assuming you can use 4, but I'll have to double check again. Those are all linked in the description box, so make sure you print them now. Same with the all detergent if you want to grab some of that. Next week is an amazing deal on those. So definitely click that link in the description box and print the coupons before they get taken down. It also helps me out a little bit when you print that because I think I get like 1 penny or 2 pennies for every coupon that's printed, something like that. So it just kind of helps me out a little bit and helps me be able to keep bringing you guys these videos. I also checked my account. I have a 4 off of 18 Kotex CRT. So see if you have that. And a 3 off of 3 feminine care CRT if you have it. You'll pay $5, get back the $2 extra buck, making it $3 for 4 products or 75 cents each. Sometimes on Fetch Rewards, we'll get some good rebates for Kotex as well. So regardless, you always want to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards, rack up those points, then you can exchange those for gift cards. They do have gift cards for CVS as well. So then your out-of-pocket can be 0, which is awesome. All right, Softsoap and Irish Spring. You can mix and match. You can do 2 Irish Spring, 2 Softsoap, whatever you want to do. We're getting $1 off coupons in our 7/18 Smart Source. So you're going to grab 2 of the body wash at $3.99 each. If you have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, add that in. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $2 extra buck, making it just 99 cents each for body wash. I personally like Softsoap. We use that a lot in this house, so definitely a great deal to stock up. Okay, Snuggle and all detergent. I'm super excited. So the current week, like I mentioned, we have $1.25 printable coupons, so anyone can grab those. But this weekend, we're getting $1.50 coupons. So we also have Ibotta rebates for Walmart. So I'm so excited for my Ibotta haul. I will be doing that, of course, on Tuesday, like usual. Tons of laundry care products we're going to be stocking up on. So you're going to grab one of the all or Snuggle or the dryer sheets or the fabric softener, whatever you want for $2.99. Use that coupon. You'll pay $1.49. So another super beginner friendly deal that anyone can do. Stock up now on some laundry products. Okay, let's get into some transaction examples. So what you want to do is split up your transactions and keep them small. So in the first one, you'll do the Schick deal and the Softsoap deal. Very beginner friendly. Total is $22.98. Then you have $11 in coupons. You'll pay $11.96 plus taxes out of pocket. What you're going to do, instead of paying that with cash, credit, or debit, you're going to download the Flues app. Flues is an app that you get cash back for buying digital gift cards. Here's my code, Bree Coupon Queen 21. You'll get vouchers for 35% cash back. So what you're going to do is type in CVS. You're going to click CVS. You're going to purchase 2 separate $10 gift cards. That'll give you back $3.80 each. If you buy one $20 gift card, you'll only get $4 back. That's why you want to do it this way. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck on the bottom of your receipt and a $5 extra buck. So when you buy those gift cards, they're digital gift cards that will be on your Flues account. You're going to show the cashier the gift card barcode right on your phone. They're going to click gift card on their side. They're going to scan it, type in the PIN number, and it's going to work that way. I do it almost every Sunday. I've never had any issues. So now transaction 2, give them the all, give them the Pantene, the herbal essences, and the Tide Pods. After the coupons, you'll pay $17.43, but you have $7 in extra bucks, which is like CVS money. So give that to the cashier. You'll pay $10.43 plus taxes. Show the cashier the same second Flues gift card. You will have a little bit additional out of pocket and the taxes. If you want to get a third Flues gift card for $10, you can do it that way as well. and you're going to get back a $10 extra buck on the bottom of your receipt, which is great. So let's go over the cash cost because I know a lot of you guys like to know. So you paid $20 to Flues. You got two $10 gift cards. You paid a little extra out of pocket with the taxes and everything. Then you got back $7.60 for the $20 in gift cards. Your final cost is $12.40 plus whatever the taxes were, the additional you had to pay out of pocket, for 11 products or $1.12 each. And you have a $10 extra buck still for the next transaction that you do. So if you guys have any issues or questions or anything, definitely drop a comment. And I go over more about how to coupon in my beginner-friendly couponing class. So if you want to join that, I'd love to have you. The link is in the description box. I also have an ebook just for couponing at CVS. So it's going to go over how to use CRTs, how to stack different CRTs, how to use extra bucks, beauty bucks, the CVS app, you name it. All of the knowledge and all the tips and tricks I've learned from the last 2 years of couponing. So if you want to check out that ebook, it's also linked below for you in the description box. And if you haven't entered in that giveaway yet, click on the Walgreens haul video right here. And here are some other videos that I've done this week for some amazing savings. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.